Welcome to Mathmerge. What are tests of divisibility? How do I know if a number is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, or 11? One way is to actually divide the number by any of these numbers and to find out whether it is divisible or no. But that is time consuming. So I have some shortcuts where just by checking the patterns and digits in the number, I can say if the number is divisible by any of these numbers. These shortcuts are tests of divisibility. Let's check them out. I have a number 3960. So I have to check whether this particular number is divisible by any of these numbers. So how to check for 2 if this number is divisible by 2 or not? I have to check the digit in the units place. If the digit in the units place is an even number, that is either 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. If the digit is any of these digits, then this number is divisible by 2. Then 3960, the digit in the units place is 0. So it is divisible by 2. Yes, it is divisible by 2. Then is it divisible by 3? Again, I have to sum up the digits in this number. So the digits are 3, 9 and 6. I make the sum of those digits. 3 plus 9 plus 6 equals 12 plus 6 equals 18. So this sum, it is divisible by 3. If the sum of digits is divisible by 3, then this number is divisible by 3. So yes, it is divisible by 3 too. Then is it divisible by 4? Is 3960 divisible by 4? I have to check the number formed by the digit in the tens place and the units place. If that number can be divided by 4, then the number is divisible by 4. So the number formed by the digit in the tens and units place is 60. And is it divisible by 4? Yes. 60, when I divide it by 4, the answer is 15. So that is why 3960 is divisible by 4. Then is it divisible by 6? If this number is divisible by 2 and 3, then it is divisible by 6 also. So 3960 is divisible by both 2 and 3. So it is divisible by 6. And then is this number divisible by 5? I have to check the digit in the ones place. If it is either 0 or 5, then this number will be divisible by 5. So therefore, the digit in the ones place is 0. Therefore, 3960 is divisible by 5. Then by 8. I have to check the number formed by the digit in the hundreds, tens and ones place. So it is this. And if this is divisible by 8, if I divide this by 8, the answer is 120, right? So that this number is divisible by 8, therefore the overall number is also divisible by 8. And then is it divisible by 9? Again, I have to find out the sum of the digits. The sum of the digits is equal to 18, which is divisible by 9. So if the sum of the digits is divisible by 9, this number is divisible by 9. Is it divisible by 10? If the digit in the units place is 0, then yes, it is divisible by 10. And then is it divisible by 11? So for 11, I have to form two sums. The digits in the alternate places. 3 plus 6 equals 9 and 9 plus 0 equals 9. So 9 and 0 is in the alternate place and 3, 6 is in the alternate place. And I have to find the difference of these two sums. That is 9 minus 9. It equals 0. If that difference is equal to 0 or it is divisible by 11, if that difference is divisible by 11 or is equal to 0, then this number is divisible by 11. Now that roughly I have checked out whether 3960 is divisible by any of these numbers, let me use a calculator and find out the quotient. Let me find out actually what is the answer when this number is divided by any of these numbers. So I will do it with a calculator. You can also do it at your end with a calculator. So 3960, when I divide it by 2, the answer is, I'm just writing down the answer. The answer is 1980. When this number is divided by 3, the answer is 1320. I divide 3960 by 4, the answer is 990. When I divide it by 6, the answer is 660. When I divide 3960 by 5, the answer is 792. And when I divide 3960 by 8, the answer is 495. I divide it by 9, the answer is 440. I divide it by 10, the answer is 396. And I divide it by 11, the answer is 360. You can check it at your end. Thanks for watching.